was the worst night of my life that I was not able to save her. No money, no contact, nothing helped me out.
मैडम, ये बीमारी हो सकता घातक हो, लेकिन इससे भी ज्यादा घातक है सिस्टम जिन्होंने हमें डरा दिया।
नंगा नाच, मौत का नंगा नाच चला हॉस्पिटल में। नंगा नाच, अरे एक कुल्हाड़ा लेके बाहर बैठ जाओ, गर्दन पे मारते रहो, कम से कम तसल्ली दोगे, लोगों को मार दिया। कोई नहीं यहाँ पे दिख रहा, देखो कोई नहीं दिख रहा, देखो वो डॉक्टर भी नहीं है यहाँ पे। मेरा नाश कर दिया लोगों ने।
उस वक्त मेरे अंदर वो दर्द था कि मेरे सीने से किसी ने मेरा दिल निकाल लिया।
घर में तो एकदम बहुत ही दुख का माहौल होगा।
मेरे बच्चा, मेरी वाइफ साथ साथ चले गए एक ही दिन में। तो बस मुझे एक ही चीज दिखाई दी कि मैं इस सिस्टम के खिलाफ कुछ आवाज उठाऊं।
Sachin says the system failed him. For 3 days, his wife was shunted between COVID and non-COVID hospitals. Precious time lost in multiple tests instead of saving her. He shows me Anjali's picture over a patchy video call from his village. And it is not just here, in one of India's poorest states, Uttar Pradesh. The healthcare system is struggling in big cities too.
Believe me, I never had a thought.
Nishi Sharma also has a picture of her mother-in-law, Beena, who struggled for oxygen and died when she couldn't get a ventilator in the country's capital, Delhi.
We were not able to save her because of such mismanagement all around Delhi.
Nishi went from one hospital to another, and then another. And what a doctor showed her was terrifying.
He showed me bodies lying around, packed and lying around. I begged him. I literally started crying in front of him that please, I just need one bed for her. You told me that, that there is a bed. You told me on a helpline number. That's why I came here.
But there was no bed there. And when they found one, it was too late.
She was asking help from me. I was not able to do that.
Now everyone in her family has tested positive for COVID. But Nishi still has some fight left. She's trying to help others as a tribute to Beena. For Sachin, his 2 children are his hope.
कि तुम बड़ी होकर क्या बनना चाहती हो?
Police, she says. And Sachin wants his son to become a civil servant. Together, he hopes they will fix this system.